When you're looking for a fifth wheel that combines luxury, style, and affordability, the Sabre offers you all of this with class. Sabre's popular floor plans offer luxurious living areas, residential kitchen features, and all the comforts of a home. All aluminum framing in the floors, walls, and ceiling provides strength while reducing overall weight. And the Sabre is protected by a high gloss finish over the fiberglass exterior to resist fading from exposure to sunlight. With the electric auto leveling system, the Sabre is automatically leveled in seconds. Sabre's universal docking station gives you easy access to all your connections and is coupled with a heated and enclosed underbelly to keep your tanks and valves safe from the environment. You'll love the oversized lighted pass-through storage and rear flip-down travel rack in all Sabre floor plans. The extra large gas-electric water heater provides additional hot water while giving you quick recovery for multiple showers. Nitrogen-filled radial tires with tire pressure monitoring system are mounted on aluminum wheels to give you safe, trouble-free travel. Sabre now offers the MoreRide brand folding step, which is much more stable and gives you a lower first step. The interior is filled with high-end residential features, including a bistro kitchen with extra large residential style refrigerator with French doors. The kitchen also includes a residential pantry and seamless countertops with a large undermount sink. With all the stainless steel appliances, you'll feel right at home. The residential feel continues into the living room with exclusive Cinemax heated seating with built-in massage and lighted cup holders, a fireplace with remote, a large residential size LED TV, Bluetooth DVD player, and a 40-inch ceiling fan with a light. The sofa also doubles as an extra bed for your guests. The soft pull roller shades are low maintenance and easy to use. The Sabre's master bath includes a full-size residential style walk-in shower with glass doors. The Sabre's master suite features spacious storage and a VersaBed adjustable powered sleep system. With all of these features, you'll find that the Sabre fifth wheel has the luxury and the class that you can afford. And the Sabre has something that no other RV has: Adventure RV's unbeatable service. You can walk through this floor plan and many others at Adventure RV, conveniently located in West Fargo across from the fairgrounds on Main Avenue.